good morning. I hope you all are good at your place. Once again, we'll do the chapter number 4, Supreme Court. In the last video, I've explained the introduction part, why the laws are very important for us and it is for the safety and welfare of the people, and what are the hierarchy of the courts, means the different levels of the court. And then we have learned the role of the Supreme Court, why Supreme Court is necessary, when it is came into existence in India, I think on 28th January 1950. Then we have studied that Supreme Court is also holds the fundamental rights which is written in the Constitution and which is given to us. So if any citizen or institution breaks the law or the rights given by the Constitution, so that person can appeal directly into the court or their level court. So all such things we have discussed in the last video. So today in this video we are going to learn about the PIL, one example of PIL, and the Narmada case study which is given in the book. Now we are going to study Save Narmada case study. I have said that we'll take the one or two example to see how the Supreme Court take the decision, right? So there is a case study of Narmada Dam which we call Sardar Sarovar Dam. Okay. So as you all know, when we have the planning of the project related to the dams, okay, so the nearby the places, nearby the states or the places where the people live near the dam where we are going to start our project, so that people face the problem. So this case study for them only, the people who have lost their land and habitat. Okay, so we'll see there was a protest against increasing of height of Narmada Dam above 110 meter near Navagam. You all know it is situated near the Navagam. So there was a protest against the height of the dam, which was about cross 110 meters. So the NGOs and environmental organizations from the Madhya Pradesh and from the other regions, they have fought for the tribals people who were living over there. They were fighting for their rights, fundamental rights for their land and the way they are living over there. So the NGOs and the environmental organization, the environmentalist organization means who is that organizations who are working for the environment, to take care for the environment, so that the all things, the environment which is polluted or which get dirty, so it should be protected. So they are taking the steps, and they are taking the they are preventing how the environment should not be polluted. So there are the teams of, there are the different teams. So they were fighting for the tribals' land and their habitat and their fundamental rights, means spatial rights. So the Supreme Court, they have filed this case in the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court has given the justice. He said that he has given the justice on 8th March 2006. Supreme Court has solved the conflict between the two states. Means आपको पता है, I have informed you, the Supreme Court विलेज सिटी में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो, स्टेट सिटी में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो, या स्टेट में डिस्प्यूट्स हो, द केस सॉल्व्ड बाय द सुप्रीम कोर्ट. ओके, सो द conflict between the two states solved by the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court has given the justice like he said that this project is made for the, as you all know, rising of population. There is a rising of the population, so all they require water, right? सबको पानी की जरूरत पड़ती है. So if this project will implement, so due to this project, the problem related to the water, it will be solved. The shortage of the water or the scarcity of water, whatever you can say. So it is necessary to carry out this project. Okay. So if the project will be carry out, or if project will be passed by the Supreme Court, so what beneficial will be there and what are the benefits behind it? So benefits are like positive development. Obviously there will be a more development as water will be there, and it will be beneficial for the living being. On the daily basis we require more water, and you know water is very necessary for the living beings and for the agriculture, vegetation, for all. So due to this type of problem, which is for the agriculture and for the irrigation, so that problem can be solved by the due to this project. So, and the project name is Sardar Sarovar Yojana. So the problem of scarcity of water in the Rajasthan, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, you have seen that desert is also there in the Rajasthan में, वहाँ पे लोगों को पानी भी नहीं मिलता है as a, तो desert ज़्यादा increase ना हो, so that's why they want to stop over there only, and that's why Supreme Court has given the justice in the favor of this Sardar Sarovar Yojana, so that the problem faced in the Rajasthan, Gujarat and the Madhya Pradesh for the scarcity of water and the shortage of water in Madhya Pradesh, in Gujarat, in Rajasthan, we know that people are getting water between 2 days or 3 days, so there is a shortage of water. So due to this Yojana or due to this dam, this problem also solved. And Supreme Court has given the justice in the favor of the tribal also. They said that we will take care about their proper rehabilitation means हम जिस तरीके से वो रह रहे हैं, उनके जो fundamental rights हैं, जो special rights हैं, we will give the first priority to them. उनके लिए कोई ना कोई जगह दी जाएगी so that they can live over there. Okay, so the Supreme Court has given the justice in the favor of both the protest, the NGOs and environmental organization who has fought for the tribals. उनको ही बताया कि जो भी डैम बनाने के लिए कह रहे हैं या प्रोजेक्ट बनाने के लिए कह रहे हैं, so they have to take care, they have to give first priority to the tribals, and the dam will also be implemented and dam will be there. And as you all know that Sardar Sarovar Dam we are having, and people are getting water, and there is a short, the जो scarcity थी water की वो अभी काफी जगहों पे कम हो गई है. So this was the one case study. Now we'll see the how PIL, public interest litigation, can be filed. I'll give you the latest example of this. Yes, now we'll see the public interest litigation. As you all know that we are suffering from the COVID-19, right? And we have heard that the doctors have introduced the vaccine also. Okay, so this PIL is related with the vaccine only. So see, counterfeit vaccines for COVID-19. Counterfeit means the original things can be changed into the duplicate, replace or destroy, anything can be. So there was a petition, means there was a case filed by Advocate Vishal in the Supreme Court. Why he has, Advocate Vishal Tiwari, he has petition in the Supreme Court. उन्होंने क्यों ये case file किया है? Because he was arguing that criminal organizations may cause a threat to the public health. And why he said that? Because as we are studying about the counterfeit, means threat हो सकता है to the public, threatening, cheating हो सकती है public के साथ. As we have introduced the vaccine, so vaccine can be illegal, कोई भी illegal तरीके से भी उसका advantage उठा सकते हैं, उसको replace कर सकते हैं, original को duplicate से replace कर सकते हैं, और the damage भी कर सकते हैं, which is not safe for the public, जो उनके लिए public के लिए, उनकी health के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. So what he wants from the Supreme Court, he wants that seeking direction for restricting the sale. Restriction the sale, वो sale को restrict करें. Like first they need to see that whether it's yes it is correct or not, and the framing of the guidelines, and he wants that Supreme Court gave the proper guidelines, framed the proper guidelines so that पब्लिक हेल्थ को कोई भी प्रॉब्लम ना हो. So this is the PIL. PIL directly can be appeal in the Supreme Court as I have discussed in the PIL. Now our next topic is why is judiciary independent? This is the question like why judiciary is independent? क्यों judiciary को independent होना जरूरी है? Just imagine yourself into a situation that a powerful person captures your land belonging to you, means belonging to your family. Just imagine that you are having a land and any person is saying that this is my land, just capturing the land of yours. And the system is, and the court, and you are filing that case in the Supreme Court. Okay. And the system is telling that if the powerful influential person can remove or transfer a judge, means like as you are a normal person, right? The person who has taken your land, who has captured the land of yours, he is very rich or he is having good contacts with the government or good contacts with the politics. So the system is telling like agar like system or influential person. Influential means who can influence, change the decision of a judge. So the powerful or influential person can remove or transfer a judge. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि जो person जिसने land capture की है that is very powerful or they can change the judge by giving anything to them. So in that situation what will do? So in that situation the judge would favor a powerful person only. So it can be happen that in such a situation the judge can take the favor of that person. Might be he has given something to the judge. So we need to see whether our judiciary is independent or not. People can control the judiciary, then impartial judgment. Yes, if judiciary will take the advantage of his or her freedom, then the powerful or the influential person obviously can influence the judge and the decision will be the impartial. So the judges, the judiciary who is giving the justice, they are not enjoying the freedom of that, they are not taking the disadvantage of that freedom. The person who are going to influence them or the person who are very rich, they have the good contacts with the politics or with the government, they don't take the judiciary don't take the advantage of such that things. That's why the judiciary becomes, the judgment of the judiciary remains impartial. वो impartial नहीं रहता है. The decision whatever takes by the judiciary in the Supreme Court, that decision is in the favor of the right person. So the constitution, our constitution does not allow the interference of such kind of people. Our constitution does not allow, वो इस interference का allowance नहीं करता है. So it has been kept independent. So the judiciary has been kept independent from the legislature and the executives. I have told you previously, the judiciary, we have in government, we have the three main things: legislature, executives and the judiciary. The judiciary remains independent. It does not include these two, legislature and the executives. So once the judiciary or the judges appointed in the High Court and the Supreme Court, no one can expel them from their respective positions. एक बार अगर हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जज अपॉइंट हो जाते हैं, so no one can expel out. Like no one means the influential person or the person who can have the good contact or they are very rich. Okay, so that person cannot expel the judge from their post. So the last is, if any citizen's fundamental rights violated, so directly they can appeal in the court. This point previously also I have explained. that if any citizen or institutions, they are not getting their fundamental rights or the rights has been violated, so they can directly appeal in the court. So I hope you have understand why is judiciary independent, okay, properly, and the example of PIL also I have given in this video, and I have explained the case study of the Narmada Dam. I hope you have understand all these three topics properly, okay. So go through with the textbook, any doubts will be there, we will solve in the next live lecture. So till that time, thank you, good day, take care of yourself.